before the world is wide awake. I raise my hands, my heart drawn to every breath, my Lord, you make. Through every tear, through every smile, through every test I face in life, you are the hope that makes it light. You are the calm within the strife. Light upon light, you guide my way through darkest night to brightest day. Ya Allah, keep my heart sincere, always close, forever near. Light upon light, my soul you raise, with every sujood, with every praise. No matter where this life may start, your mercy lives